And when you train your brain to be silent more of the time, it's not going to be silent all of the time, because some of the times you're going to think a thought. You're going to think, what's for dinner? And then you'll say it to your wife or husband, who's ever cooking, right? And but but the vibrations, so many thoughts happen in our minds during the day that we we're just distracting ourselves, explaining why we are a little overweight, or explaining why this guy's rude to us, or girl, or you're rude to them, or you don't have as much money as you want, or you wish you were taller or shorter, or had curly hair or straight hair. All of those things that we think at some point in our life, right? The way to improve your life as we move forward is to train the brain. That's probably much more relevant in your daily application of thought than energy's vibrating. Energy's vibrating has to do with faith and expectation, and you quiet your brain to be able to acquire intuition and to communicate, to attract things to you. The law of attraction, you probably have heard of that. But the moving around in cause and effect cycles, you got to use that in your daily thoughts all day long. As you think about life, you're cycling the cycles of life. You're thinking, you're perceiving, you're interpreting, and you're adapting to it over and over and over and over again. That is a thought that you engage in your life to be effective.